Hey guys, welcome to room 1109 here at the Mai House Saigon. So, quick description of the room type we're about to show you. It's a premium club king bedroom. Got that right? What that affords us is access to the executive lounge. But it transpires that what's quite interesting about this particular lounge is that that breakfast is not automatically included because you are in a lounge, exec lounge room. So we've been given the opportunity to pay for breakfast on a daily basis. So it appears like the lounge separates into two little bits. They've got those that go in for breakfast, and then the lounge for everybody else. The lounge affords normal exec club benefits like tea, coffee all through the day, and evening canapes between 5 and 7 p.m. So cocktails, so we're looking forward to that tonight. So that's the status of the room. 11th floor, right, I'm going to show you the view and everything in a bit, but it's big, I love it. It's a nice big room, so more than the space. Normally in a hotel room you're like, where do I put my suitcase? Where, you know, you're going to be stepping over things. Seriously, you could probably get a football team's suitcases in here, we'll be fine. So, first impressions of the room, it's absolutely decorated to our taste. It's beautiful. It's the attention to detail is beautiful. The finishes on the bed, it's just lovely. I really like it. Really like it. You know, even like the directory, you know, made with love. You know, so I really do get the impression that they've tried to think of the small little details that make a stay great. So I'm really excited about this. So yeah, so double big king size bed. We've got US. No, we haven't got USBs.
There is on this side.
Oh yeah, sorry, one on there. Sorry, yeah. Oh no, we have got USB. So USBs on both sides, so that's good.
Just to prove that there is USBs. There we go.
All right, and plugs there. So it looks like it's going to be fine on the plug fronts. So we've got obviously a big TV. In here is, you've got the mini bar that's got a few items in. I'm assuming they'll all be chargeable, but obviously they're there for convenience. Then you've got tea and coffee making facilities, including a full-on kind of coffee percolator there. I'm not sure if that's the official name for it actually. As well as a kettle and stuff like that. I think we've got some complimentary bottles of water.
Oh, cans of water.
Cans of water, sorry, in this case. And then again, another nice little touch. You know, just the loveliness of the ornateness of the, you know, the teapot and stuff. It's just lovely. It's just really nice. You know, and everything's positioned perfect. Look at those cups. You've got the two cups there, exactly aligned. Two spoons, exactly aligned. I'm a sucker for little details.
The small things.
It is, absolutely. So actually, so if you just step back a second, Ryan, so in here is the bathroom. So this in itself is quite unusual, but that is really nice. It adds a nice little touch to the room. So let's go and have a look at it. So it's a sliding door.
It's all very colonial in style.
It is all very colonial, yeah. So we've got a standalone bath. Alright, which is great. Look at the nicely folded towel down there, which is really quite nice. And so with a shell, we've got bath salts. You know, that's nice. They smell very nice as well. And a loofah. But yeah, very old-fashioned, isn't it? But nice old-fashioned though. Do you know what I mean? So sink, storage, standard stuff over there. Moisturising body milk. And we've got a little drawer filled with all the usual. In fact, quite a nice selection of stuff there. So we've got cotton buds, we've got nail files, we've got sewing kit, we've got shower cap, we've got cotton pads, we've got shaving kit, and 2 dental kits and a comb. So that's quite a comprehensive set. Again, all complimentary. So that's all good. And then we've got, obviously, big shower. Love a shower. Rain shower, separate nozzle as well. Again, some nice, you've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. All branded products.
Oh, a bit of Cavalli.
Yeah. Very nice. So,
Might take some of those for the bathroom at home.
you know, towels wise, so we've got two bath towels and a hand towel, or 2 hand towels. Oh, hang on, got a hairdryer down here as well. Round up at the hairdryer.
Yeah, I saw that
So that's all
earlier.
good. And weighing scales, but we're on vacation, so I don't see us using them because that's quite scary. And then we have the wardrobe here. All right, so in there, standard stuff, safe. Again, big, lots of space, lots of storage. You know, get a light. Ironing board, 2 dressing gowns, 2 pairs of slippers, and an empty bag. I'm not quite sure what that's for. But yeah, so that is pretty much the room. It is the room actually. So, like I said, we've literally just checked in. You are seeing this live as we're kind of seeing it. So, what we're now going to do is show you around the rest of this awesome, what is hopefully, oh sorry, one more thing, sorry, I've got the view, didn't I? I've got the view. So, we're on the 11th floor. So the view is good and bad, I'll say. So we've got a nice view, which is good, of the pool, which you can see there. All right, that's all nice. However, the view beyond the pool is, it's not picturesque. It's not terrible by any stretch. It's just Ho Chi Minh City. Right. So now we're going to show you around the rest of the hotel.